Hi guys, this is JNM and today I'm going to UV unwrap the Blender hard surface model we created in the last tutorial, and I will texture it using Substance Painter. So here is the model and I switch to edit mode. Now you can see the sharp and weighted edges in blue color, and I have to select now all the edges that I want to mark as seams. The first edge loops that I want to select, and this is a bit tricky, are the horizontal edges of the gear. So I snap the view and turn to wireframe mode, then I press B for box select and select these edges here at the top. Then I press C for circle select and hold the shift key down to deselect all the edges that lie in between these two horizontal edge loops. Okay, now I snap the top view, then again press C and scroll the mouse wheel to have a bigger circle selection. And then again with the shift key pressed I deselect all the edges that are covered by my selection circle. And the last thing that I have to do is to deselect all these parts here. And I end up with these two edge loops selected. Perhaps you have a faster way to do this, I don't know. There's always a better way. And now I mark them as seams. And now I'm going to select the next edge. I will add 3 seams of the vertical edges of the gear, and I'll try to divide it into 3 parts. Okay, then I will again select these horizontal edge loops by pressing Shift and Alt and right click, mark them as seams. And then 1 seam along the cylinder. Okay, I think we can go with that. I select all, press U and unwrap, then open up the UV image editor. And this looks pretty good, but I will rearrange them a bit. Just select them, press G to move them around. These ones I will rotate 90 degrees. Also this one. Then I select all, move them to the center and scale them a bit up. Just like that. Okay. For these parts here I can press Alt and E to get nice rectangles. This functionality comes from the add-on UV Squares. It's free and I added the link to the description of the video. Now let's export this as FBX. Choose File, Export, FBX. Then choose Mesh and Selected Objects Only and press Export FBX. Okay, and now we'll kind of test this by adding a simple texture using Substance Painter. So open Substance Painter and create a new project. Select the FBX that we just exported. Then press OK. And here's our model. Looks great, but now I have to bake the textures. And I bake them as 2K. We don't need the ID map. And then I press Bake. Okay, looks good. Now we'll adjust some settings here of the viewer to have shadows and some post-processing effects. And then I drag a smart material, for example this one here, to my layer stack. Okay, that looks nice. I don't see any artifacts or strange shading behavior. Alright, now I will adjust the curvature settings a bit and the amount of the wear level. And then I call this done and upload it to my Patreon account, and you can download it from there for free, play around with it, use it as you like. So that's it guys, I really hope you liked this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like and subscribe. As I said, have a look at the links in the description of this video. There's a link to the UV Squares add-on and to the textured model that we just created. Thanks for watching and see you soon.